Alright, so this is my first run at using my Mevo cameras. Got everything hooked up. Hopefully I did it the right way. I got cameras. I'm using my cell phone, a S22 Ultra, as well as I'm using a Samsung A9 Plus tablet, as well as the Hollyland Lark headphones. So got these off of Amazon for probably about 30 something bucks, 35 bucks. Man, I love these dudes. Anyway, so and they work like a charm. You guys can hear it. All right, here we go. So got everything hooked up, and we're going to test it out, see what's going. So this is the cell phone camera, right? So we're going to switch down here. This is the my tablet camera. Switch over down to the tablet camera. Can you guys see me down there? That's the tablet camera. Mic check, mic check. How's the sound quality? Don't know, I can't hear it. Okay, so now we're going to switch over to the Mevo cameras. This is a Mevo camera on the left. Right there. So when I click on the Mevo camera, the cool thing about it is that when I click on it, there's a red light that comes on. So I'm using the Mevo multicam app that's picking up everything that I'm doing. Whoa, I just switched it. I just switched it. Shocked myself, scared myself. Okay, all right. So so that's my left camera. Let's go over here to my right camera. The right camera. Did I get it? No. There's my right camera. There's a red dot on it. So the right camera is down. It's sitting on a what do you call those deals? A karaoke machine. But I just want to. This is a test run. I'm not trying to do all this stuff, man. I'm just test run. See what works. See what does not work. I'm just being me, trying to figure it out. So, but so far so good. It's easy to bounce from camera to camera to camera. I don't know what I'm doing. But looks good to me. Looks right. So, but anyway, there you go. Not a lot of heavy equipment to hook up. The most expensive thing were the cameras. The two Mevo cameras. Probably should have done a package deal. So anyway, but the cell phone's working. The tablet down here, it's picking it up. So it's 4 cameras. So, and of course, whatever you're doing, whatever you're creating, I don't know how many cameras you need, but if you can't make it work with 4, you probably need to hire a professional. So anyway, I'm just letting you know. All right. Thank you guys.